Hey the Cox, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. I'm in my mechanical room. So some people call it a mech room for short, or the heater closet. Got my water heater right over here to the side of me. You probably hear that gurgling away. Yep. And my heater just to my side. What we're doing today is we're going to be taking these AC tablets and putting it inside the condensation pan for the air conditioner part, just under the A coil. What this is going to do is help you keep your condensation line, that drip line that comes out of it, from clogging up with algae and such like that. Okay. Now it doesn't matter where you're at, even if, like my room, I happen to have the drain right here, just to my right. But even if it clogs, just because it's going to drip into the concrete floor in the drain, it's going to overflow inside the unit and then like rust it out, ruin the electrical parts. Now if it's in a heater closet like a lot of people have, where it's not on a concrete floor with a drain, it's going to ruin the subfloor underneath it and subfloor to the rooms adjacent to it. And then you have to have the entire unit removed, and then all that subfloor replaced, and then have the unit put back in. Very costly thing, super easy fix. Okay, now these are hard to find like at Lowe's or Home Depot. Most of them won't carry that. You actually have to go to a heat and air supply company. Or Amazon. I'll have links in the description down below. That's exactly where this unit came from, this little pack. It's a little 6-pack. But each tablet is good for 2 months. And you don't need to do this during the winter time, okay? Just when the AC is running. Alright, so let me show you where we're going to stick them. Okay, so I know the lighting's not the best, but I'm doing what I can for being in this little mechanical room. Alright, so this panel up here, see we got the blower unit down here. Oh yeah, most of you guys recognize this. This is where those big flames, you can see inside the louvers, because this is the heater part here, okay? And the blower motor's below it. But above all this is going to be where your A coil is. And they call it an A coil because it looks like an A, okay? And that's what gets cold for the air conditioner. You'll know because you got this big insulated tube that comes into it. This is the same tube you see that comes outside of your external compressor unit, the big AC unit on the outside, and you got the other copper line. So you'll know you're in the right compartment when you see these two guys. So we're going to open up this big door here. Now some people have a really nice heat and air guy, and they actually take the time to like make a little trap door, that's easy access open. This one not so much, okay? So we're just going to have to open it up every time. Okay, now I've already turned the AC off at the thermostat. Okay, so it's off. So nothing's running here, okay? So let me take you a little closer in. Okay, so that big thing there is the A coil. Makes sense. And below it is the condensation drip tray. Okay, which you can see has water in it. And actually last year I had it kind of overflowing. I had to put like some bleach in there and kind of use my air compressor to blow it out. So I got these tablets to take care of that so it stays running good and clean and doesn't get all clogged up again. Okay, now these particular tablets say that each tablet lasts 2 months, and normally, so for most air conditioners, 1 tablet at a time is okay. But I will tell you, I'm going to double up this first time because I wanted to knock out any buildup that's been happening. So I'm just going to set them in the pan. Boop, boop. Now it's still only good for 2 months, but I should get double the output that way. I'm actually going to take one over here, leave it kind of in the middle, and my output is over here on the right. So I'm going to scoot that one over closer to where the water drains out. Actually, I think I'll put both of them a little closer to that, because that's where the water is going to be deeper. Okay, and now we just got to put the panel back on. Okay, I hope this video helps you out. This is a very easy task to do. I mean, the biggest pain in the butt is just getting that door off. But once you do, you drop those tablets in and you're good. And it can keep this thing running smoothly, which can really save you from a lot of expensive damage later. Please take a moment to share this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my website, our cooking channel again. Thanks so much for watching.